The magic school bus weathers a storm. It's fun to be in Miss Frizzle's class. She wears funny clothes and funny shoes. We go on trips in the magic school bus. We are learning about weather. Tim made a rain gauge. It tells us how much rain comes down. But today it is empty. The air is hot and sticky. We all feel lazy and grumpy. The Frizz takes one look at us and says, "Time for a field trip." Wild Weather by Phoebe. Weather can be hot or cold. It can be sunny or cloudy or windy. Rain or snow can fall. Sometimes balls of ice called hailstones come down. Outside it is still hot and sticky, but the sky is clear blue. It is not going to rain, Keisha says to Tim. Miss Frizzle drives to a lake. Miss Frizzle drives into the lake. The bus changes into a boat. We start to change too. All at once we are getting very small. We have tiny umbrellas. We start to float into the air. We rise up very fast. We get smaller and smaller. We are so small that we can see the tiny drops of water in the air. They are everywhere. It is so cold that some water freezes. There are ice crystals. They whirl up and down and all around. The drops of water do too. The wind whips around even faster. The water drops crash onto the ice crystals and us. We hear a voice over the wind. "Get in, class," the Frizz calls. She throws out a rope and we all grab on. She gives a big tug. We are safe in the weather balloon. The balloon drops lower in the cloud. There is a funny feeling in the air. Just then we see a bolt zip toward the ground. It is a bolt of lightning. Lightning is full of energy, the Frizz says. It makes light, heat, and a lot of sound. We stay far away. Lightning is very dangerous. Just then, boom! A loud crash shakes the air. Suddenly the floor falls from the weather balloon and we tumble out. Tiny raindrops form around us and make big raindrops. We fall toward the ground. Why are storm clouds gray? By Tim. Storm clouds hold a lot of water. The water blocks some of the sun's light. That's why the clouds look dark gray. After our raindrops land, we hear a loud honk. All at once, we are on the bus. Now that we're back at school, the rain gauge is full. Tim is happy, and we look forward to our next trip.